It's time for another video. This one is a surprise video because that's what happens when your wife hacks into your eBay account and start ordering stuff for you for Christmas. And this is what she's ordered from me. These are the things that I had on my watch list. So she just went ahead and ordered all the stuff that I had on my watch list for my Christmas present. So I got double-sided tape here. That's 50 meters of double-sided tape. I've got the, let's see what we got here. These, I think these are the things that I was watching before for my Arduino. These are touchpads. Here we are. So these are sensitive touchpads. Yeah, you can press, and they've got I think they got parallel and serial output, as you can see here. If it shows on the camera, yeah, you got parallel and serial output. So she ordered 4 of these for me. Let's see what else we got here. These are yeah, gyro sensors. I think I ordered some of these before. I think they will stay in my I think I was watching these as well, so she ordered some of these as well for me. We got let's just see what we got here. I'm about to open it up. LED matrix and the driver IC. Again, these are serial. Then you can stack these together. Yeah, they're stackable. I don't know if they're RGB or is it just a single or just a dual color. Yeah, I don't know these. I don't know some of this stuff because these were just on my watch list, and wife went ahead and ordered. Tried to surprise me because I recently fixed her computer for her. So I think this is a thank you that I get for fixing her laptop. Yeah, we got some Nokia style. Yeah, you got Nokia 5110 LCDs. Some more gyros. What are these? Yeah, I think these are gyro as well, but different ones compared to the other ones. Yeah. Well, actually, I don't think they are gyro. Don't know what they are. That might be temperature sensors. Yeah, I think this is a temperature sensor. Well, actually, hold on. I don't think that is a temperature sensor. If the camera tries to focus us. Yeah, I think these are light sensors. Yeah. These are light sensors, I think. Yep, again. Gyro sensors. Yes. I don't know half of this stuff what they are. I don't know what this is. No idea what this is. It must have been something if I have them on my watch list. Here we got more of that. I don't know what they are. We got more of the Nokia displays. We got the, I believe what is a light sensor. Yeah, more of the light sensor. We got the gyro. More of the gyro. I don't know what that was. Same thing again. and the light sensor again. More of that. I don't know what it is. So we got the high frequency transmitter. I think it was 2.4 gigahertz one. We got 5 of them. Tell you man, the packaging on this stuff were crazy. They just wrapped them around these bubble wraps. Some of this stuff. Yeah, we got more of those matrix LED. I don't know how many we got of them. I think we got 4, 5 of them. Got more of the Nokia displays again. We got more of the light sensors. We got some of that stuff that I have no idea what it is. Got more of the Nokia displays. Let me just look how they wrap the ICs on bubble wrap. These are at Mega 32s. So I don't know how many of them are here, because I haven't got a clue. Yeah, I had these on my watch list. The reason I picked these is because they're in this package, so it's easy to, like, you know, make PCBs and stuff for them. Because I've got a lot of the sockets for these that I bought a long time ago, so it's easy just to pop them in the socket. Besides, obviously they got a lot of IOs, a lot of pins, so that's why I ordered these. Well, I didn't order I had them on my watch list, and the wife ordered it for me. Oh yeah, I wanted some of these. These are crystal oscillators, 60 megahertz. I didn't have any, so I had them on my watch list as well. So she ordered 2. So she does listen when I mumble about things that I don't have. That's good. So your wife listens to you. So yeah, nice bit of stuff. Came for Christmas. Oh look, we got more stuff here. Completely forgot about this package. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, stepper motor drivers. Oh, I did have like 10 of them, but I didn't need any more. But she ordered me another 10. I'm not gonna complain now. These got the heatsink with them as well. There we are. Oh yeah, my DC-DC converters that I wanted to get. Oh, she got them for me. Cool. There we are. These ones are great because you got the adjust pin at the, as you can see here, you got on and off. I don't know how good that shows on the camera. There we are. So we got the on and off there. We got the V in. We got the ground. And we got the ground, and we got the V out, and we got the adjust, so you can adjust the output of your DC-DC converter. What I'll do later on, I'll do a separate video of just testing these, and you know, just check their output ripple and their current capabilities, and you know, all the stuff. Obviously I need a scope, so I'll test this properly later on. What are these? Oh, little Arduino boards. These are at Mega 328Ps. Not bad. Nice and compact. Oh, I got a whole lot of them she ordered for me. Oh, what's this? So yeah, we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's one in here, 10. Okay, what are these? Oh, voltage regulators. LM1117. Well, obviously it doesn't say LM, but that's what they are. The camera focuses, there we are. it does say ADJ on them, so I don't know if these are the adjustable ones. Oh, I need to do a test on them, see if these are the adjustable ones or not. But I think we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 20. We got about 60 of them. So here we go. As you can see, a whole lot of stuff. The wife went crazy on eBay. And she ordered a whole lot of stuff for me. Yeah. You know what that means now. That means now I gotta buy a whole lot of stuff for Christmas for her. Anyway, let's put these aside. Now this is something that I ordered myself. Came today. These are, if I can just get my little thing. These are plastic rods. The camera focuses. There we are. So now I was thinking is, the reason I ordered these is because, as you know, we got these couplers for the stepper motors. Now, one thing with these couplers are they're not, the holes on them that have been drilled, they're not very precise. I mean, once you mount this on a flat surface and you got your rod going, this plays a little bit. I know it's a bit springy, and that springiness, you know, takes away bit of the you know, the unevenness on it. It doesn't take it all the way. So every now and then when it's spinning, you do tend to see the motor struggling a bit when it gets to the point that is like, you know, it's bent or is bending or thing like that. So I decided to order some of these rods and see if I can make my own coupler for the motor, and then for whatever rod and whatever I have on the other side. So that's why I ordered these. And so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut a bit of it and then try to see if I can make a little coupler like so with it. So I got this, which is, if I can get my thing out, there we go. So as you can see here, this is 2 centimeters, so 200 millimeters. Sorry, 20 millimeters, not 200 millimeters. I'm going a bit mad. So yeah, so that's 20 millimeters. And then I got a smaller one. We go here, and this is 10 millimeter. You can see there. So yeah. So these are the things I got. I got a few other stuff coming in which I ordered for my CNC build, which I'm gonna build a proper one now, as now I tested the one that I made before. So everything is working alright now. So I'm just gonna order some parts to make a proper CNC for my lab. And as I said before, remember that I was using belt instead of these rods. If the camera zooms, focuses on them. Nope. Nope, doesn't like to focus. Anyway, these rods, I said that there were a problem with them, that they were bent a bit, so I managed to fix them. I've just, you know, with my hand, I tried to bend them around and stuff like that, and I managed to, like, you know, fix, I ordered like 4 of them, so I managed to fix 3 of them, so now they're all smooth and round, square. So what I've done, I found these in my parsley, in my, you know, junk bin. Now these were from a decade resistant box. Obviously you had the knob going through here, and then you had your knob to turn. So I've got a lot of them actually. We can see here. There we go. Now it happens to be the right size for these rods to go into, and there is hardly any play whatsoever in there. maybe like, you know, 0.5 millimeter or something. But the fact that I got this and I can mount this like so on the whole of, like, you know, the whole of the rod from one side to another, makes the rod very stable. So what I was thinking is, if I made a hole in, say, a wood like this, I can mount this inside and there's no play whatsoever on it. Then I can have this on my flat, you know, on a flat surface, and then obviously this will run through it, and then there won't be any play whatsoever. Obviously I need to screw this or glue, epoxy it in place, but there's hardly no play whatsoever from the rod and that little holder that I've got here. Another thing I made, as I said before, as you know, once you got a lead screw on this rod, sometimes there's backlash and there's like noise, vibration and stuff like that. So this is what I come up with. Again, this is from a resistant decade box that I had, so I'll just salvage that. So at one point, at one side I've got the screw, got the lead screw there, and one side I got one of those things I just showed you before. So now what it is, this goes inside like so, and then you turn your lead screw, obviously. There we are. And now you can see it runs really smooth, and there's no play whatsoever, and there's no backlash or anything. So this is what I've come up with for my there we go. And the fact that it's one side is smooth, it makes mounting anything on top of it very easy. So yeah, this is what I come up with. It took me about a couple of hours to make this, because I didn't want to run the belts, because the belts were, as you know, if I put something heavy, or if you're doing work with the metal, the belt is not going to be that strong to pull in and, you know, pushing and pulling things around. So obviously a threaded shaft like this is much better. So yeah, the only problem as I had before, as I mentioned, was the vibration and the noise with the lead screw, and now I've fixed that. So yeah, I'm gonna incorporate this into the new build of the CNC machine. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. Stuff that I've received today for my CNC build, and the stuff that the wife's got me. Anyway, yeah, till next video, which will probably be about these DC-DC converters, till my rest of the stuff that I ordered for the CNC build come. Thanks for watching, and if you like the videos, please, like always, give a thumbs up, and till next video, goodbye.